Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of Nature's Remedies. Today, we're diving into the world of wellness and exploring the incredible health benefits of a drink that's been gaining popularity, Zobo. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Zobo? Well, it's a traditional Nigerian beverage made from dried hibiscus flowers, also known as sorrel. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about its rich antioxidant content. Zobo is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help fight off harmful free radicals and protect our cells from damage. Plus, studies have shown that regularly consuming antioxidants can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. So, sipping on some Zobo could be a delicious way to boost your overall health. If you have had this wonderful drink before or you intend to try it, hit the like button below so that we can know the number of people who are interested in this type of content. Now let's continue. But wait, there's more. Zobo is also known for its potential to lower blood pressure. The hibiscus flowers contain compounds that may help relax blood vessels, leading to a reduction in hypertension. And if you're looking to shed some pounds, Zobo might just be your new best friend. It's naturally low in calories and caffeine-free, making it a great alternative to sugary drinks or sodas. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it hot or cold and even add in your favorite fruits or spices for an extra kick. So, whether you're looking to boost your antioxidant intake, support heart health, or simply quench your thirst with a refreshing beverage, Zobo has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.